Hi friends, I am Namita. Computer question and answer solved by Namita. Come to the first question. Question number 1. Storage capacity of magnetic disk depends on disk packed in disk surface. Option B. Tracks per inch of surface. Option C. Bits per inch of tracks. And option D. All of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Okay. Come to the next question. Where is RAM located? RAM means random access memory. Where is RAM located? Option A, motherboard. Option B, expansion board. Option C, external drive. ऑप्शन डी नॉन ऑफ द above. इसमें where RAM is located to specify. Right answer is motherboard. मदरबोर्ड में RAM लोकेटेड है. इसका एक्सपेंशन भी यहाँ पर है. RAM is located in the central processing unit CPU. CPU का full form Central Processing Unit, also called a processor, and is located inside the computer. Case on the motherboard. It is sometimes called the brain of the computer. किसको ब्रेन कहते हैं? CPU को कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन बोलती है. It is sometimes called the brain of the computer, and its job is to carry out commands. Come to the next question. Question: the computer's processor consists of the following parts. Option A, CPU and main memory. Option B, hard disk and floppy drive. Option C, control unit and ALU. Option D, operating system and application. यहाँ पर तो आंसर ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है. ऑप्शन नंबर C is the right answer, control unit and ALU. Next question. The first computer was programmed using option A, assembly language. Option B, machine language. Option C, spaghetti code. Option D, source code. इसका राइट आंसर क्या होगा? इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, मशीन लैंग्वेज. फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर वाज प्रोग्राम्ड यूजिंग मशीन लैंग्वेज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द बॉक्स दैट कंटेन्स द सेंट्रल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर इज द डैश. और एक बार बोलिए. The box that contains the central electronic components of the computer is the dash. Option A, motherboard. Option B, system unit. Option C, peripherality. Option D, RAM. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, यूनिट. सिस्टम यूनिट. सिस्टम यूनिट the box and contain the central electronic components of the computer is the system unit. Okay, next question. The first mechanical computer designed by Charles Babbage was called. Option A, supercomputer. Option B, abacus. Option C, calculator. Option D, analytical engine. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, एनालिटिकल इंजन. उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन यहाँ पर दिया है. computer was invented by Charles Babbage. The first mechanical computer designed by Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, was called as analytical engine, which resembles today's modern machines between 1833 and 1871. Okay, come to the next question. A dash is approximately 1 billion bytes. Option A megabyte, option B gigabyte, option C terabyte, ऑप्शन डी नॉन ऑफ दिस। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी गीगाबाइट। Gigabyte is approximately 1 billion byte in computer. Next question. The following computer's memory is characterized by low cost per bit store. क्या होगा बोलिए दोस्तों। ऑप्शन ए प्राइमरी मेमोरी, ऑप्शन बी सेकेंडरी, ऑप्शन सी हार्ड डिस्क, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दिस। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी सेकेंडरी। ओके, secondary memory computer's memory is characterized by low cost per bit store. Come to the next question. In general, the dash have the smallest byte size and the dash have the largest. इसमें कौन से स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ बाइट, इसमें स्मॉलेस्ट साइज एंड हाईएस्ट साइज ऑफ स्टोरेज वैल्यू का पता चलता है। तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है EEPROM फ्लैश, ऑप्शन बी SRAM मास ROM, ऑप्शन सी मास रोम SRAM, ऑप्शन डी DRAM एंड PROM। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए EEPROM एंड फ्लैश। इसका फुल फॉर्म इलेक्ट्रॉनिकल इरेजेबल प्रोग्रामेबल रीड ओनली मेमोरीज एंड फ्लैश। इसका have the EEPROM have the smallest bit size and the flash have the largest size. Next question. Computers gather data, which means that they allow user to dash data. Option A present, option B output, option C store, option D input. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी इनपुट। दोस्तों शेयर करिए, लाइक सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को। यू विल गेट मोर नोटिफिकेशन फ्रॉम माय चैनल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The wheel located between the two standard buttons on a mouse is used to dash. Option A click on web page, option B sort down, option C click and select item, option D scroll. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी scroll. The wheel located between the two standard buttons on a mouse is used to scroll. Thank you friends, and you are Aditya and Namita, and subscribe, like and share channel, and you will get more notification from this channel. Thank you friends.